Let's talk about how to make your phone feel brand new again. Yep, iPhone or Android.
Sound familiar? I think we've all been there, staring at a phone that just won't go.
But hey, don't worry, this is super common. And the best part, the fix is totally free. So let's speed up your phone right now. These tips work for both iPhones and Androids. Okay, so what's actually causing the slowdown? Well, it's usually one of these four things. All right, let's jump right into the fixes. We'll start with the simplest ones for a quick boost. I know, it sounds too simple, but a quick restart really does work wonders.
Next up, updates. Seriously, don't ignore them. They're packed with crucial performance fixes.
Okay, this is a big one. A full phone is a slow phone. It's just how the memory works. So, what's the magic number? You'll want to keep at least 10 to 15% of your storage free. And freeing up space is easy. Start by deleting apps you never use. Then go after big files. Now for my favorite trick. This one setting makes your phone feel twice as fast. It's amazing. We're talking about visual effects. By turning them down or off, your phone feels instantly snappier.
Okay, for Android folks, you've got to unlock a secret menu first. It's super easy, just do this.
Once you're in, find the drawing section. Tweaking these 3 settings is the key. You'll feel it right away.
So what if you've tried everything and it's still slow? Well, there is one last resort.
But a huge warning here. This will erase everything. So please, back up your data first.
It's the factory reset. This gives your phone a completely clean slate, just like it was out of the box. So there you have it, your complete toolkit for speeding things up, from easy fixes to a total refresh. And just like that, your phone feels brand new again. So what are you going to do with all that speed?